It's John from Homeneer.com. In this video I will be repairing a bike tire. The inside tire has a puncture in it, so I will change it to a new one. Start by removing the tire from the frame by opening this screw here. I'll need to pull back this shifter, and then I can lift the tire out. It's holding on the brakes here at the bottom. I think the easiest is to just take the brake wire out. Okay, now I can lift the tire out easily. You will need tools like this to get the outer tire off the wheel. This is done by pushing the tool inside the tire, and this little clip here goes on the spoke so it holds in place. Now I can push the next one in, and usually you can move the first one the next spot without the tire popping in. So what you want to do is get the other side of the tire out. Now when it's loose, I can just go around like this. Okay, so now the tire is loose from the one side. You don't want to take both sides out because it will be more work to get it back in. So next I will unscrew the okay, it seems this has been fixed sometimes before. Let's have a look. Is there a new puncture, or has the old one just failed? I want to check that there is no sharp edges here on the inner side of the rim. If there is somewhere a spoke, one of these spokes coming through, that could puncture the inner tire. There is this rubber going around the rim, but sometimes it goes out of place, and that causes the inner tire to puncture. I don't feel anything sharp over there. Floor pump to put some air in the tire to see where it leaks. It seems there's a puncture over here, very close to the old one. So that makes me kind of wonder, is there something sharp in that area of the rim? I can try and track where in the rim that spot is by pushing the valve back in. So the valve goes in here. So it's about here on this spoke where the hole is. So now this is the spot I should analyze in more detail. I'll just take the other side of the tire out if I can have a better look then. It looks clean. It's also a good idea to check the outer tire if there's something stuck in it, something sharp. This seems to be okay. Let's check what size this inner tire is. So here we can see 35/47x622/635. You should be able to find the similar markings on the outer tire here. Okay, I have here an inner tube which has been previously fixed, but I just tested by pumping some air in it and it did hold there. Just take this screw off so that I can push it through the rim. And now I'll just start fitting it inside the tire. So what you want to be able to do is push it inside here. Just use one of these tools to pull it over. Just making sure it's in a good position everywhere. And then I can start to press the outer tire inside the rim with this tool going around. Just try not to leave the inner tube in between. Okay, now I have the outer tire in position from both sides. Just tighten this valve screw here. You could add air already now, but it's harder to fit it in back on the bike if you have added air already. So I'll just put the tire back on the bike and only then add the air. Again, pressing on the shifter to get it into position. I think it's now in place. Just a few rounds, tighten it, and then that should be it. Now I'll add air to. Okay, I can see the pressure gauge here is rising. It's at 20 psi. This wheel should hold around 60, no sorry, around 80 psi, but I know this pressure gauge is very inaccurate, so I'll go like max to 60 psi. I'll still rotate the wheel and make sure it's spinning. I think it's very well aligned. It's not wobbling in any direction. Next, let's still check the brakes here. So I took the noodle out of here. Just put that back into place. Okay, there, brakes are back in place, and it's not touching the brakes. Still check by pressing on the lever. That's the other side. The brakes are working. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and comment below. And consider subscribing. I have a lot of do-it-yourself content and other bike repair videos and car repair videos you might be interested in. So that's it for this one. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.